Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we have discussed about the detail like a review we can list out here like a stars, and also we are doing like a name, and also we whatever review we provide like this, and also we have passed like a 1 days ago like this we did in last video. In this video we can cover like a average review. Suppose here is a, like a 3 review there, so what is the average review here there, and also we need to put here average review also like I just go back again, and here also we need to put like a average review. So in this video I will cover everything about like a average review. Before we can start for the average review, you are new in the channel otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so you always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script, just go to our official website rrsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. You can see it here. Okay. And also, do you want to develop as a freelancer work, just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. So let's start now for the average. So I already log in as an admin, also is my order detail page, so we can check here. And also we did last time like a duplicate entry, so we can make it like a average how it works. Okay. So let's go back again. So first we can go to any detail page like here. Okay. So just go to resources, views. Inside we need to go to product and detail.blade.php. So products, here is, you can see it like detail.blade.php. Just scroll down, so here you can see it like review there. Review inside you can see it like percentage there, so we need to get here percentage. So simply we need to go like a get or get total review. Here we have created one function inside a product model. Same thing we need to create another function for here, or we need to find the review. So just we need to pass here one order IDs. Let's first find the percentage what is there here. Sorry, not order ID, product ID. So we need to put here dollar. Just create a one simple function. After we can make dynamic. Okay, like get total, get review, or get rating. Let's make a get review ratings. Okay, rating. Here I can pass like a product ID. So dollar get and product ID. Now we need to go to like a product model. Inside we need to create a new function, static, because of we need to put here query. This reason I am using static function get review rating, and here I can pass like a product ID, and here I can make like a average. So first we can create a one function avg, and here I can make like a get review model, and here I can do get product average, get review average, whatever do you want to like you can do it. Get rating average, get review, get rating average, I think look like a good name, avg, and here I can pass like a product ID. Okay, now we need to go to product review model. Inside we need to create a new function. So app model, inside you can see it like a product review models. Here you can see it. Just scroll down, and here you can write like a static function get rating average, and here you can pass like a product ID. Simply you can copy above one all whatever made in last video query, just copy and paste here. Here we don't want to use, so just we can use like a rating and remove the username. Also we need to make a join query. You can leave it descending order, we don't need, just remove. Here you can use like a avg, like we need to make a average, and here you can put like a review rating, and here is already there product ID inside a condition, you can see it here. Okay, so what we have did, first we have created a function inside a get review rating. So this is the get order is available using the product model. This reason we have passed here, and here inside we have passed like another function like a get rating average, and here you can see it one query, and this query again we are getting the average for the product ID. So let's go back again, and we can make a return here. So return avg. Okay, so let's refresh the page so we can check error there, cannot there. Suppose error there, so we can solve the error. So error not there. So here is our error is the 4. You can see it here. You see like a 4 plus 3 plus 5. So let's open my calculation, and we can make like average good, cannot good. So 4 plus 3 plus 5. So total is a 12 divided by 3. So what is the average? for. Suppose I can make here like another for. So let's go back again, refresh the page again. Let's click here first. Okay, because here not changing, this is the reasons. Okay, here you can see fors availables. Now I go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see the average now you can change like 3.667. So means is working very well average. Okay, so now this average we need to convert to 100. So we always use like 3.6, so meaning about like a 4, like a 18%. So we do like this. Otherwise, do you want to make calculation, so you need to think in your mind. Suppose 3.6%, so what is the percentage? So we don't want to like this wasting time here. Better we can make like a condition here. Here you can make like if average less than is equal to 1 and less than is equal to 1, greater than and less than. Suppose is 1, so it's going to here. Okay, so we need to do like this. So return 80%, means 80, so return 20. Otherwise, else if less than is equal to 1 but is greater than is equal to 2, so it's going to here. Okay, 1 is greater and but less than, sorry, greater than is equal to 1, less than is equal to 2 is going to here. Same thing you can do it here, else if. So here you can change like 14, greater than is equal to 1, here you can make like 3, here you can make like 4, and after you can do it like a, sorry, here you can make like 1, here you can like 4, and last one we can do it like a fifth. Let's say it's working, not working, because this is the calculation works. So sometime we need to check again testing way. Otherwise working, so it's good. And here you can make like a else, inside you can pass like a 0, return 0. Okay, so let's see it's working, not working. Just go back again, refresh the page here. So you can get 18 because of 3. So here is 1 plus 3, so 18 is perfect, working very well. Because of here you are getting 3.6, means is a 18, means is a 4, so it's going to very well. So just you can put here details inside, like whatever name here you are passing, so this name you need to pass here inside 18. Okay, so let's remove the last comment. We don't need this last comment, and just you can remove this comment also, you can remove. Let's go back again, we can try it's working, not working. So let's save and just go back again, refresh the page here. So here you can see it like a 4 there, so it's working very well. Suppose I can go back again, here also I can make like 3 and refresh the page here. So I need to get like a 60%, I think so. Also here works, so I think we need to put like 3. Okay, because 3 point something is showing, this is the reason. So here you can see 3. So it means rating average is working very well. Suppose I go back again, here I can make like a 1, here also I can make 1, here also I make 1, so showing the 1 only, you can see it here 1 star. Okay, so I can make here 2, so always showing the 1 star because of percentage, you can see it here. You see 2, like a 2 4 divided by 3, so 1 point something you can find out, so it's going to here. You see 1 point something, so it's going to 40%, so it's a second star, means it is working very well. So do you want to make like a different way logic, you can make like this average there. So what is the percentage for this sign? Also you can do it like a 3.5 into 100 divided by 100, so this is the percentage you get. Also, do you want to do like this? Also possible. Let's try. Suppose we can do it like average if not empty. This is the second way. Okay, I have explained two way, this is the second way. Now I'm explaining. Here I can pass return is equal to 0. So here I can pass return is equal to 0, and here I can do it like a return average, how it's make like a average into 100 divided by 100. So this is the, you can get the percentage. Let's see it's working, not working. So I just went to comment out all rest of code, and I just go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it not getting anything, because it's not working very well. Let's go back again. Like here, average into 100 divided by 100. So return I put like this. So let's display this value what I get here. Simply just put here. Okay, and you can refresh the page here. So what we can get, we can understand easily, like 1.3.33 like this get. So we need to put like a number format because of not working inside a, otherwise you can, yes, number format you can use. So we can check like a 2 points work not work. So simply you can do like this 1.33 and 1.33 divided by, so whatever there you can get like this. Oh sorry, we need to make 100, we don't want to do like this, so also not possible. Like 1.33 already gets here returns, we have made conditions. So also not possible. Let's remove this one, we don't want to write like this logic and we don't want to waste of time. Just you can use like this logic, it's good logic and I like it, this logic. Okay, do you want to take your side, so you can do it. Take time, 100% find the solution, but take time, it's better we can do directly. Okay, so here you can see it like a logics we have put here and it's working very well, we have no issue. Okay, now we need to go to like foot and shoes and footwear, and you can see it like here's a product listing there. So here also need to make it dynamic. So simply we have already done like a two function. Last video did like total get rating. So simple you can copy for this name and go to is a list, like product inside list is a common function, and just put here like a inside rating you can put here. Next here is a percentage, same thing, you can change the variable name also, get product to value. Just go to back again detail and you can put these things inside a percentage. Like here also you can change and here also you can change the id. Okay, let's go back again, we can check it's working not working. So just refresh the page. So here you can see it, here is a zero review and star also you can showing blank, means it's working very well. I will try another thing. Let's try like a 35%. Let's try 35%. So it's working, not working. So it's moving directly. Half cannot half. So I need to check. So it's not working. 35% you are doing. So it's also not working. You see. So better way. This is the, you can do it like a 40% directly. Suppose I can try like 35%. It's working, not working, but it's not working. Okay. So it's the done. And do you have any question about for this video? So please comment out. So next video we can start because of every page done. This reason. Suppose I'm going to fashion. So also here you can see done because it's our common function work. This is the reasons. Otherwise no. Suppose you can go to your wish list. Inside also done. You can see it here. Okay. Because the common function work this reason. You see here is a review there. Suppose you can go to inside. So you can see it review. You see. So every place done for the review work. Next video I will show you inside a home page because I need to complete the home page. So as soon as possible I will complete the project because lots of comment available which time you are finished, which time you are finished. But you know we are developing one by one, so taking time. We need to explain better way logic so you can understand better way. This is the reasons. Okay. So I hope you understand everything what I explained. So next video we can work like one setting page, otherwise home page. I will think my mind which part we need to start, but review part it is completed done. Okay. And do you have any question for this review part inside? So please comment out. And do you want to like this video? So please like. And do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.